Hey Dan, should I renovate before I sell my condo in Mauna Lani? And will I really get dollar for dollar or bang for my buck? And which renovation should I do? 3 great questions. I'm gonna tackle it next. You know, it doesn't really matter if you're in Mauna Lani, Waikoloa Beach, Monacaya, or Hualalai. It's all the same, which is you should spend money on kitchens and baths. They are always the biggest dollar for dollar return, and in some case more than dollar for dollar. Kitchens, really important. That would be first. Baths would be second. Those are the top tier renovations. And then there's what I call a tier 2 of renovations, suggested renovations, which is flooring. Get rid of the carpet if there's any of it here in Hawaii. Doesn't work well. You could go luxury vinyl, you could go tile, you could go pre-engineered hardwood and go with replacing the flooring. Paint always looks great. People see it, they smell it. Painting the whole place, baseboards, walls, doors, all of the above would be tier 2. Tier 3 would be fixtures. It's usually an easy fix. Sometimes people want to lump it into the first group, but fixtures should be easy, like faucets and door handles and hinges. If you've got brass, get rid of the brass and go with something a little bit more modern, or silver, brushed nickel, oil rub bronze. All of those would work super well. So the question now about should you do it before you put it up for sale? Well, if you get a great real estate agent, he'll tell you or she'll tell you about the return. We did this recently. As many of you know, I have a renovation company. We renovate a lot of properties for people who are looking to sell and get a higher dollar figure, but you need a pre-renovation price and a post-renovation price. And you need to figure out if that makes sense, right? What is the current price, or what would the property sell for in as-is condition if you did nothing? And then what would be the budget and what would you do for the improvements? And then after you did the improvements, what would be the payoff? What would be the after renovation price? And if it's large enough and it makes sense, then absolutely do it. Spend the money. It is going to take time. Good news is with our renovation company, we're different than everybody else. And you say, well, Dan, how are you different? Well, we show up to do the estimate. We actually give you a written estimate. We do the work on budget and we finish it on time. And those are 4 things that don't happen here on this island if you've been here and experienced it. So I hope that answers your question. If you got more, keep them coming. I'd love to hear from you. Call me on my cell phone, 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306. Or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. And until we talk again, aloha.